Robbie the robot was cleaning the house. Suddenly, it saw a big fat rat under Grandmama's rocking chair. Robbie started growling. The big fat rat was frightened and ran away. Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
In this episode, we will be learning phonics with Monami. And today, we will learn the sound of a new letter. But first, let us play a game of guessing the sounds. Listen to this sound. Can you identify this sound?
Thunder?
Correct. The rumbling of thunder. Now listen to this sound.
Lion.
Roaring of lion. Correct. Now listen to this sound.
Rain?
Yes, this is the sound of rain. Absolutely right. Similarly, all the letters in the English alphabet have different sounds. Who is it? Letter R. Hello, letter R. Letter R has bought a basket for us. Let us see what is inside this basket. Monami, can you see what is inside this basket?
Yes, miss. Rabbit? Rocket? Robot? Rose? Ring?
This is a raft.
Raft?
Yes. Rabbit, rocket, rose, raft, ring. All these words begin with the same sound. That is the sound of letter R. This is a capital R, a big R or an uppercase R. And this is a small r or a lowercase r. Can you repeat after me, Monami? Can you repeat after me, children? Big R,
Big R,
capital R,
capital R,
uppercase R.
uppercase R,
Small r,
small r,
lowercase r.
lowercase r.
Good. R is a consonant and the sound of letter R is R. So now let us practice the sound of letter R. Let us say it loudly. R, R, R. Now let us say it softly. R, R, R. Now let us say it to each other. R, R, R. Now say it to your friends. R, R, R. Game time. Let us play a game. You have to find out the sound of letter R in these words. R, R.
It's here in rainbow. It's in rose. It's in the red. It's in radish. It's there in the middle of the carrot. Twice in the middle of the carrot. It's in car at the end R.
Well done, Monami. Now, let us revise what we have learned today. What is the sound of letter R? Which letter is this?
Uppercase R, capital R, big R. Lowercase r, small r.
Well done! Children, hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Keep smiling and keep sharing. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel and press the bell icon also. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye!
Bye, friends.